Hello and welcome. In this video I am going to show an overview of the latest version of Kali Linux and some of the applications pre-installed. Kali Linux, formerly known as BackTrack, is a Debian-based distribution with a collection of security and forensics tools. It features timely security updates, support for the ARM architecture, a choice of 4 popular desktop environments, and seamless upgrades to newer versions. It was developed by Madi Aharoni and Devin Kearns of Offensive Security through the rewrite of BackTrack, their previous information security testing Linux distribution based on Knoppix. Originally, it was designed with a focus on kernel auditing, from which it got its name Kernel Auditing Linux. The name is sometimes incorrectly assumed to come from Kali, the Hindu goddess. The third core developer, Rafael Herzog, joined them as a Debian expert. Kali Linux is based on the Debian testing branch. Most packages Kali uses are imported from the Debian repositories. Kali Linux's popularity grew when it was featured in multiple episodes of the TV series Mr. Robot. Tools highlighted in the show and provided by Kali Linux include BlueSniff, Bluetooth Scanner, BT Scanner, John the Ripper, Metasploit Framework, Nmap, Shellshock, and J. The latest release of Kali Linux includes 2 new significant tools, Kboxer and Kali Tweaks. Kboxer allows the developers to package troublesome software in containers which are presented in a transparent fashion to the user like any other package. Kali Tweaks helps the user customize the distribution. Kali Linux uses systemd as is in its software and supports BTRFS, X3, X4, JFS, RicerFS and XFS file systems. The first version, 1.0.0 Modo, was released in March 2013. For package management, Kali Linux 2021.1 uses apt. Here you can see the commands to install software from the command line using the apt package manager. Kali Linux 2021.2 includes the version 5.10.0 of the Linux kernel. Some of the default security tools of this release of Kali Linux are Multi-Ego, Nmap, Burp Suite, John the Ripper, Reaver, Fern Wi-Fi Cracker, Metasploit and Social Engineering Toolkit. Some of the default applications of this release of Kali Linux are Vim, Firefox and Parole Media Player. Please feel free to tell what you think of the latest release of Kali Linux on the comments section. Thank you for watching the video, and please help the channel by sharing, leaving a like and subscribing.